Hello eBay. We have a factory sealed mint condition copy of Windows for Workgroups 3.11 here for you today, which is regarded as Microsoft's first Windows-based operating system with native networking support. It introduced integrated peer-to-peer file and print sharing directly within the Windows environment, where earlier versions of Windows relied on a separate DOS networking software. As a former Novell/DOS-based network administrator myself, this was an amazing time when I fell in love with Windows-based network operating systems. That is why I go by Novell2NT at gmail.com. Feel free to find out what else I have to offer. Now let's take a look at this beauty. I really did love Windows for Workgroups.